Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button on WordPress. So, quickly, let's go to Visit Site, Edit Site, and from here, you just want to double tap our site right here. Click on the block inserter, scroll down, or just simply type in WhatsApp. As we can see here on the bottom, you have the growth section. You have here what's the WhatsApp button. So you actually need to upgrade to a premium subscription if you want to have or use the WhatsApp button for your website. But for the purpose of this video, we can show you how it works. So technically here you have the icons here. You have the send message icon right here. You can add details to it. So you can write a summary for tech support, for example. You can send us a message on WhatsApp, something like that. And then another interesting thing here is apart from that, you can, of course, write in your phone number here, depending on where you currently are or um, where your company is based in. You can definitely have them send you a message. And then apart from that, other tools here that are important is the alignment button. So for example, if you have multiple plugins here or if you have other buttons here on the footer, you can definitely align them. So you can align center, at the right, or just stick with the left. And apart from that, you can also duplicate and copy this to other pages, or you can create a template out of it. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.